I'm sorry. Whatever your name was, I really am sorry. I was a fucking coward. I couldn't do shit. I am truly sorry. I mean, I had just gotten done with football practice and I just wanted to retreat to home base and forget the battle that you fought right in front of me. How was I supposed to know that your eyes were screaming out for help? And as dumb as it sounds, my eyes were deaf. Because I know actions speak louder than words, but I obviously was not listening. I just wanted to go home. So did you. So did your child, laying dormant in your womb. It wanted to be safe. You walked by, grabbed my arm, and pulled it like a fire alarm, but I could not bring the rain. Like a coward, I said, what the fuck, bitch, get off me. As if you were shot in the chest, you clutch your heart as if it's about to break into a million pieces. Your knees buckle like you were paralyzed by pain. As for myself, I'm in the middle of the street paralyzed by fear. I felt like time came to a screeching halt, but that was his tires screeching right in front of her and our baby, and he gets out. I stand there. As events unfold, I had a front row seat. Are you just gonna beat me up in front of this big guy, huh? You're just gonna beat me up in front of this guy. Bitch, get in the car, boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. See, I thought that was the rhythm of my heart, but that was the rhythm of his blows. I was grateful for every blow that he missed, throwing him off beat, because I hope I never see anybody march to the beat of that drum. And I don't know what kind of music he was making, but I hope I never hear it again, because I will kill the man that presses play. I will kill the man that presses play. Fuck, at least he pressed play. I pressed pause. I pressed stop. I pressed eject because I stopped and left. But before that, let me say the rest because I have to get it out. I have to cry out as loud as she did because she had to let out. Please, my baby, please, don't let him hurt my baby, please. Boom, 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 boom. Shit, he pressed play again. I could not stand that music, but I could not close my ears. Please help me. Pulls on my arm as if it was a fire alarm, expecting me to rain down on this parade. I hope that he would stop heating up. See, it was you he was beating up. Told myself I had seen enough. Said, hey, what kind of man beats a woman like this? You are a coward, and you know it. Time hits a slow drag. Every second felt like 5 minutes. Deathly situation, I felt ready to die in it. Pulls out his gun, lets the barrel introduce E-Ride to it. This is none of your business, kid. Go home. As for that trigger, I was waiting for his bitch ass to pull it, but I could not stop bullets. Go home, kid. This is my business, not yours. Under my breath, I cussed at him. All I could do, fuck, what do I do? Nothing, I do nothing. She does something. She crawls towards me, expecting me to douse the flames, skip that record. See, this piece is about my shame, so it's on the record. So my baby, he pressed play. I walked away. I could not do shit. The music got louder, but I couldn't face it. I turned around to 2 rows of the elders on both sides of me, expecting me to step up, but I couldn't. The elder cries, looks at me in the eye, but I couldn't do it. Please, my granddaughter. Fuck, that is his granddaughter. Please, my niece, that is her niece. I'm like, shit, you're a strong man, please. Am I a strong man? Fuck, I guess, no, I don't know. I lengthened the gap. The void between us became no less. I felt like she was right here. The distance between us could have been light years, but no difference. I walk away and he wins. I'm sorry I could not face that music. I hesitated that way as a child, but I'm a man now. And I will kill the next man that presses play. I swear to God, I will kill the next man that presses play. No one will ever march to the beat of that drum anymore, at least in front of me. Boom, 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 boom. This time, that's the rhythm of my heart.